So we are on the way to watch Dacota. Dacota पता है ना?
हाँ ऑब्वियसली
वो वाला नहीं. Here we are talking about a brave pilot and former Chief Minister of Odisha, Sri Biju and his Dacota aircraft. In 1947, he flew with this aircraft to Indonesia and helped to escape then President Sukarno from the Dutch army and safely landed him in India, for which Indonesia gave him the highest Bhumiputra award. In 1947, during the Kashmir War, he flew and safely landed the Sikh regiment in Srinagar with this Dacota aircraft. This is now standing in front of the Biju International Airport. Do visit and see you in the next one. Bye.